I don't believe life is meant to be lived on autopilot. I believe you're supposed to question it, explore it, understand it. Don't let anyone tell you that curiosity is a distraction. It's a compass. The moment you stop learning, you stop growing. And growth doesn't always look like success. Sometimes it looks like confusion. Sometimes it looks like starting over. I've learned that intelligence isn't about having answers. It's about having the courage to sit with questions long enough to find your own truth. You don't need permission to dream differently. You don't need approval to become something new. Stay curious. Stay uncomfortable. Keep expanding your mind. Because the universe doesn't respond to comfort zones. It responds to those who are brave enough to think for themselves.